Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI. Did you know that you could have a protective phone case that is also a work of art? So my phone is probably the most important thing I carry on me, and I definitely need to protect it, but I also want it to look as good as it works. And this case from Case Mate, it's a BLOX square in the glacier marble, and I am totally in love with it. I love that it has these square edges. It also gives my phone a 10-foot drop protection. And the back side, the marble design side, is a hard part of the case, but the edges are a little more pliable, sort of a hardened but still pliable silicone material, so it's easy to pop this on the back of my phone. It has a slight lip around the edge so that it encases just the edge of the phone to the front, so it stays very secure. So there's no compromise on style. I don't have to give style up to protect my phone. So I have an iPhone 13 Pro Max and it fits beautifully. And I also noticed the fact that it doesn't have anything blocking the camera, which I prefer. So the camera lenses don't have anything in front of them. So if you want protection for your cell phone in a gorgeous piece of art, then look no further than this phone case. I think it's just stunning, and I've been very happy with its performance, and that is my point of view.